So before going to start our course, first question is why programming language? What is the need for learning a programming language? And why should one learn a programming language? Correct. So basically, in some, if you go some 10 years, 15 years back, a human is interacted with a human for everything. For example, if you went for a voting, you are voting for do your. For example, if you want to vote, you went for the voting booth. There will be one officer. You will give your voter ID card. He will check your voter ID card. He will tell if you are eligible. For example, if you are belonging to this street for this booth, then he will allow inside to vote. Correct. Similarly, when you went for some temple like that, you want to go inside darshan, you may have some ticket. There will be one ticket collector. He will collect the ticket and he will send inside. Correct. Similarly, for every work, for everything in the society, we have humans. But for going from day by day, day by day, day by day, for example, if you want to recharge your mobile, you in some 10 years back, you used to go to one shop, they will give one card. You will get the card and you will scratch the card with a coin and you will get the code and you will give the code to your mobile. Inside that you will paste the code so that your mobile recharge will be done. Correct. Now are you following the same procedure? No, right? These humans are getting replaced by computer. Correct. A machine or a computer or something. For example, these days if you want to do in mobile, there is a program, just you will type your mobile number and you will select the plan. Remaining thing, the system will take care. Means some computer or something, some program is taking care, right? Similarly, every task which is going to be done by human, it is getting replaced with the computer or some system. For example, if you take washing machine, if you see the rule, for example, if I want some washing like a very hard wash, based on the system, it will do first 20 minutes washing, next 20 minutes dry. It is programmed. So everywhere, if you are replacing a human with a computer or a system, you need to program it. Means you need to say the rules, how to work, how to act, like this. So for all these things, you need to train a machine, you need to tell the computer how to work. So does the computer know any language? Correct. It knows C language, Python language, number of languages. So that to train a computer, we need a language that is nothing but a programming language. Examples of programming languages are C, Java, Python. We need to learn one language to train the computer. Correct. So this is the need for learning a programming language. Okay.